Hey, it's Constantine and super excited for this video as I'm gonna take you with me in this amazing airplane around the city here in Melbourne. So sit back, relax and enjoy.
United India, turn right onto Foxtrot, crest runway 1.
The training area.
Alt 1, Alt 2, check. Nav lights, landing lights, pitot heat on, batteries in the green. Pitot heat off, left. POV.
Rowan ground, uniform Quebec on Bravo,
Right.
request exit apron.
POV.
Uniform Quebec ground, hold short, runway 35 left.
All short, brief up left, uniform Quebec.
Rowan ground, Limax Hotel.
Correction, on Bravo, hold short, runway 35 left.
At Alpha 8 for an upwind departure for city orbits, runway 35 left, ready.
Roman Tower, line up.
Engine parameters checks, airspeed alive, fuel pressures, oil temperatures in the green.
Say again, closer.
Bravo, Quebec November.
Bravo, Quebec November, Roman Tower, jump final
Rotate.
from southern left.
.200 feet AGL. Airspeed 95, confirm flaps up. 500 feet, cabs becomes available. Approaching Albert Park Lake from the southeast at 1,500 with information Oscar, requesting one right hand, then one left hand city orbit.
S and Tower Squawk 0100.
Delta Golf Lima is a Cadbury G2 at Hangar 7. Request taxi Charlie Papa intersection Westgate Bridge. Receive Delta Solo.
Traffic 11 o'clock, low less than 1 mile.
Rowan Tower, this is helicopter Tango Hotel Mike. Dual with information Papa for the southern apron coming in from Carrum.
Tango Hotel Mike, Roman Tower, jump final for the southern apron.
Join final for the southern apron, Tango Hotel Mike.
Altitude less than 1 mile. Traffic 12 o'clock, safe altitude 0 miles.
70, 50, 20, 10, 5, 2,
Alpha Victor, Quebec line up.
1.
Line up, Alpha Victor Quebec.
At Alpha 8, requesting taxi to the apron.
Roman ground, taxi to apron.
Taxiing to apron, good day.